Today I'm going to make you whiskey filet. It's on our regular menu. It's one of the best dishes we have. We actually sell more whiskey filet than we do just a regular grilled filet. When I first got here, I obviously boiled off potatoes right away, did the asparagus right away, because it takes some time. This is just a regular boiled potato, parsley, and butter, salt, and pepper. Simple. These are blanched asparagus that I sauteed in garlic, shallots, butter, white wine, salt, and pepper. Still, it's very simple, but an excellent vegetable sauce. This is an 8-ounce filet that I split in half. I'm going to sear it. Olive oil. This has been eaten for a while, so we should be ready to go. Hot pan. Gotta have a hot pan. We prefer to serve it mid-rare, because once those inside juices come out and mix with this whiskey sauce, it's an amazing flavor. But we'll make it any way you want it. If they ask for anything medium or well, mid-well, I would take them out of the pan, put them in the oven to finish, and then make the sauce separately. I don't want to put it in the sauce and try to go well done. It'll break, it'll burn. But once we get a good sear on there, turn it over, get the other side seared. It's one of the few restaurants in Lehighton that I've seen in a long time that's offering a family 4 to 5 star meal. The beer selection is incredible, and I came here because I like the fact that we're revitalizing this area in town. It really needs it, and we're happy to do it, actually. We actually bounce our menu around a lot between game, and I'm talking kangaroo, elk, ostrich. We look for the most unique meats out there, best cuts, all natural, and that's what we offer. Right now, we've offered rabbit stew. Right now, we're offering our duck is amazing. We'll do specials for ostrich. We ran that on our last menu, and it seemed to sell pretty well. We've only took it off because summer's coming, and it's a pretty hefty meat. It's a real. It's the only poultry I've ever cooked that tastes like a great steak. It really does. This gets mushrooms. Add a bechamel, which is just a mother cream sauce. I use this for everything. Macaroni and cheese, Alfredo, whatever you name it. Whiskey, brandy cream, champagne cream. And we'll let that reduce. While we let that reduce, we plate.
Do you offer farm to table here?
Sorry?
Do you offer any farm to table options here?
I think the chicken's farm to table pretty much.
Chicken's all Bell and Evans from Fredericksburg. Most of the meats are out of Lancaster. All of the produce, except for the citrus, of course, is as local as we can get. Most of it is from Buckskin.
Hormone free. Plate piece is pretty much perfect mid-rare. Thickens that up, adds a little salt to it, which complements the whiskey. And that's it. Whiskey filet, parsley, potatoes, sauteed asparagus. I actually was born and raised Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. The wife and I moved the kids down south for a few years. We were down there for about 10 years. Moved around quite a bit, and then I decided when my kids were about 7 and 9 to come back home. It's a very wholesome area. The schools were much better, and just wanted to be back where the seasons change. And I wound up back here.